Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm very good and I feel very, very pretty today. I feel like a princess. Do you like my headbands? I look like a princess. Are you ready to do some learning today? Because I am. We're going to be doing some skip counting today. But first, let's do a little bit of warm up and count from 1 to 100 first. So here is my beautiful chart, very colorful. So let's do a little bit of warm up and we start with counting from 1 to 100. Let's count all together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 is 11. Good job. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This one? 20. Very good. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What's after 29? Do we say 2010? Not quite right. After 29 is 30. Very good, 30. And then it's 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Very good. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Good job. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So after 70 is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Good job. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Very, very good. Give me a high five. Now, I'm going to show you another way of counting. This one is called skip counting. So we don't count every single number. We're going to skip count by 2. Okay? Skip count by 2. Which means every second one. That means we start with 0. We skip. We count. We skipped. We count. We skip. We count. That's why it's called skip count. Because we don't count every single number. So we're going to skip count by 2s. Okay? I'm going to do it slow because it's quite new. So I'm going to do slow, yeah? So we're going to start with 0. Even though it's not here, we know before 1 is 0. So we be 2. We don't count. We count. 4. Don't count. Skip. 6. Skipped. 8. Skipped. 10. Does that make sense? That's why it's called skip count. Because you skipped the number and you didn't count it. So we're going to do 0. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. It is very new, so it's okay if you don't understand it yet. We're going to practice more and more, yeah? Do you want to do one more time? One more time, yeah? And we can skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. Give me 5. Very, very good. How about we're going to count by tens, okay? It sounds a bit scary, but tens is actually quite easy. It's maybe the easiest. So tens are the ones here. Because I know a lot of you struggle after the 19 or 29. You're not sure what this number is. So we're going to practice just these number down here. Okay, are you ready? So we're just going to read all the numbers here. This is called counting by tens. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. One more time. Okay, one more time. Okay, you ready for one more time? So big. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very, very good. So today I want to show you something new. Something like this, a line, and it has numbers on them, and it is called a number line. This helps us to count, and it's also help us to do our addition and subtractions. It will help you to add, and I will show you how to do that. So this number line actually starts with 0. Every number line is different, okay? But this particular one starts with 0 and it's finished at 10. And how does this going to help you to do your addition? Ooh, let me show you an example, okay? Let's say you got 2. Yeah, 2. So you don't have any counters with you. You don't have anything. You don't want to use your fingers today. 2. So we start at 2. So you see number 2 on the line? Yeah, we're going to do start. I'm going to put a mark here. It's 2, yeah? So because we start at 2. So we mark 2. Plus, remember our addition, the plus sign mean more, having more. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, you can watch the last 4 videos again, and it will make a bit more sense, okay? Now, let's say I'm going to add just one more. Just make it nice and simple, one more. So 2 plus 1. So this one, this number here, tell me where to start. 2. This number here, tell me how many steps I need to take moving forward, yeah? So let's say 1. So I'm just going to move 1 step. I'm going to do like this. Where did it land on? It lands on number 3. So my answers will be equals 3. Yeah, so it's lands on 3. Does that make sense? So you start at 2, and if you move 1 step forward, it lands on number 3. This is how it helps you to do your addition. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this is another method, another strategy to help you to do your addition. If you're not sure yet, that's okay, because this is very, very new and can take a bit of time to understand. So that's okay. Oh, well, I'm going to give you more examples, okay? I'm going to write this out now. I'm going to do another example. Okay, so to make it less confusing, I'm going to start at 2 again, okay? I'm going to start at 2 again. 2. So where did I start? At number 2 on the line, yeah? So I'm going to start here, number 2. Plus means we're getting extras. So I'm going to move this forward, yeah, 1 by 1. Let's say 2. This time it's 2. So 2 plus 2, yeah? So this first number tell you where to start. This number tell you how many moves you need to move forward on your number line. So say plus 2. So we're going to move forward 2 numbers and then we stop. So we're going to move. I'm going to draw like this. This is how you draw it. 1 step, 2 step. And it lands on number 4. So I'm going to write equals. What number did I land on? 4. So I'm going to write 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we start at 2. Start at 2. I should circle this 2. Start at 2. We move forward 2. And it gives us 4. So can you see how this line is actually very, very helpful? Okay, let's do another example. Okay, now let's say we have this equation here. 3 plus 2 equals. Okay, let's see how are we going to use the number line to help us solve this math equation here. Thinking. No stress yet. Let's breathe. There's nothing to be stressed about. We're just going to put our thinking hats on and we think. Now remember, the first number is where we start. So number 3, I'm going to find number 3 on the line and I'm going to put a mark. Here it is. Number 3. I'm going to circle it so it doesn't confuse me. Number 3, that's my starting point. Yeah, 3. The first number is where I start. And the second number is how many moves I'm going to step forward. Yeah, so it says 2. So I'm going to move forward 2. Yeah, 2 steps. So I'm going to do like this. 1, 2. And what number did I land on? I land on number 5. So I took 2 steps forward and it gives me 5. So my answers will be 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. Okay, now this one says 4 plus 3 equals. How do I know what it's equals to? I have no idea. Oh, think. Take it easy, breathe in. So the first number is number 4. I'm going to find 4 on the number line. I'm going to mark it and circle it. So on the number line, here is number 4. And I'm going to mark it as well. Plus 3. So remember, the second number tells you how many steps you have to move forward. It says 3. This time say 3. So I'm going to move forward 3, yeah? So I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3. And it lands on 7. I want to circle it. Yeah? So 4 plus 3 gives me 7. Does that make sense? Now with the number line, you have to remember there's a few rules to number lines. With the number line, can you see how it's evenly spaced out? Each number have to be like equally the same. You can't have one like this small and then the next one this big and then this small. Oh, does that look beautiful? No, this one is so much better. It have to be evenly spaced out. Also, when you move this, do you go like this? No, we only move one number at a time. One number at a time. We do not jump anywhere we like. If we do that, our answer will be not correct. So we only move one number at a time. So that is all for today's lesson. I know it is very new and it takes a bit of time to digest, okay? So don't worry if you still don't fully understand yet. The next videos we will practice more. So you need to watch my next videos, okay? We're going to do more and more practice until we understand it. So for now, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.